So how do you send live photos as videos from the iPhone to your Android device? Let me explain it and show it to you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So at first, we open up the Photos app and we want to get to the collection so we can find the live photos, and live photos naturally contain some movement, so we want to extract it and turn it into a video first. So we're going to grab this photo, for example, click the three dots, and there is the option to save it as a video. So this is what you need to click on. Like this, it's gonna turn this image and turn it into a video. So if I come back to the photos and go back to the latest library, you can see the latest video which we just created is the one from the live photo. So it's like a 3-second long video, and if we want to share it over to the Android, there are more ways, of course, like you can upload it to Google Drive, for example, or do anything else, but the best way I think for it is to use an app which is called Send Anywhere, right? So this is what it looks like, the Send Anywhere app, and you can download it on both your iPhone as well as the Android, like this. And essentially, once we have the photo ready, we can click on it, click on share, and use the Send Anywhere app. So it's going to basically come up with a 6-digit code, which we're going to type in on our Android phone when we open up the Send Anywhere app, like this. We're going to go to the Receive section, and we need to input the key at the top. We still wait for it to be created in here. So you can see here it is. So we just have to type in the numbers in there. So 205139, and I click on receive. I just wait for it to be connected, because it might take a while. It's obviously a third-party software, but it kind of works. You can see that the live photo, which we turned into a video, has been moved over. And now, as you can see, we can open it up on our device like this. And the video, which we just shared, is, as you can see, moved over to this device. So that's how I would personally share live photos as videos to the Android device. Let me know if it worked out well for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.